Hey G-Squad, welcome back on Soda. Is it worth it? So today's episode, we got this cool underline here, and basically what this is a lighter. And you see for the one that we got right here is from this brand, and for this brand it is a really popular brand for lighters in general. But I actually open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So inside they do provide a little case, and do have the brand logo right here. But you guys do open up. Here is basically what the inside looks like. So for this one in particular, you can see it's like a chrome design. But if you guys do take it out, here is basically what the product looks like in the front, and then right here is the back. So I do have a little warning label right here in the back to tell you guys to be careful because it is flammable. And then right here in the bottom, you see we do have the brand logo. And when you guys do feel the material that's on here, it does feel like a high quality material. So first thing I want to do is to peel out this back part right here in order for you guys to open it. So once you guys peel the back part, now you can open it up. So all you do is go like this. And once you guys open up, here is basically what the inside looks like. So basically the way how to design it, it works as a regular lighter. So all you need to do is push this part down. And it basically lights it up. You can see right there. So in order for you to use the product, you do need to take off this part here. So go like this and pull it out. Once you guys open the inside, here is basically what the inside looks like. You basically want to lift up this part right here and add the liquid fuel inside. And once you guys do that, you can close it back up and put this back inside right here. And then once you guys do that, you guys to basically already start using it after you guys push the part down, obviously. But obviously right now, because we don't have anything inside yet, it will not work. So I'm going to bring this somewhere else to actually kind of start it out first, and then we'll come back to show you guys how it works. So the way how you guys open up that part right here, you need to use a coin or something sharp. So for example, if I use a little knife, you basically want to take out the tip. And once you guys do take out the tip, and now you can start adding it in. So like I mentioned, you basically want to lift this part up. And once you guys do lift it up, then you guys want to add the fuel inside. So just like this. And when you guys add the fuel inside, you don't want to overfill. Just add enough that you guys need to use. So I think that should be good for now. Let's close back up. And you guys want to put this back inside like this. And before you guys do light it, you want to wash your hand to make sure it's clean. Once your hand is clean, then you guys can try it out. So let's go like this. And see how it does work. And the way how you guys shut it off is going like this. And once you guys to open it back up, the fire is off. So very easy and very simple for you to use the product. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to come unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys in the market looking for a high quality lighter that basically works the same way and has a similar design as this one right here. Then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.